So if you want to know how to withdraw your funds from BTCs mining application, this video is for you. Stick to this video till the end. Let's go. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Auburn Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell sign so you can get notified once I upload another lovely nice money making application and website kind of video for you. So let's go into the video. You know how to do it. Alright guys, today I want to show you how you can withdraw your Bitcoin that you've already accumulated, that you've earned, you've gained from the giveaway or whatever way you got your Bitcoin. I want to show you how you can withdraw your funds to your wallet. Okay, first of all, what you need to do, you come to me down here. Okay, then you come to assets, you tap on assets, and this page will pop up. Good. You can see I have $9.6 on my account right now worth of Bitcoin, and I want to withdraw it. So all I need to do is just tap on Bitcoin here. All right, here we are. So the next step to do is withdraw. Okay, and now I have to go and copy my Bitcoin address. You can copy from your wallet wherever you want to do, wherever you want to send your Bitcoin to. And as for me, I use Faucet Pay. Yeah, here we are, Faucet Pay. Okay, I don't know, I've talked about this wallet, this platform before, but I don't know, I'm gonna make a special video for. Okay, now why I like using Faucet Pay is because on Faucet Pay I can accumulate a lot of crypto from different websites and different platforms. Then when I bring them all to Faucet Pay, I can just switch to any other coin I want to before I withdraw to my personal wallet. And also, I also like using it because it avoid me exposing my wallet to any kind of platform. The risk at it. That's why I just prefer using Faucet Pay. All right, not to talk too much about Faucet Pay, I think I'm going to make a special video about Faucet Pay, how you can get the utmost advantage of it. Now let me just click on deposit so I can get my Bitcoin address. All right, here we are. Then copy, then I'll go back to my Bitcoin, my BTCs. All right, back to my app, and over here, okay, here, then we click on the withdraw button. Then here I'm going to paste the address I copied from Faucet Pay here. Then you can see the minimum to withdraw is 0.002 Satoshi Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on all. So I'm just going to be withdrawing everything, and you put in your asset password. I already set mine earlier on, so I'll just put it in. You are going to do that definitely. If you've not set it, it's going to ask you that. So I'm done putting it. All I need to do now is click on withdraw. Bam. Yeah, confirm. Bitcoin withdraw successfully. Close. Sorry. Excuse me. So I'm going to be expecting this in my wallet. Once I get it in my wallet, I'm going to show you guys. I'll just wait for some time before I get it. You can see it's already pending. So I'm going to be expecting it soon. So I just got the Bitcoin I withdrew from the app. I just checked my wallet and I got it. You can see for yourself. This is it right here on my balance. So I said I can be making a video on Faucet Pay later on to explain more. Leaving a link in the description of this video where you can sign up and join Faucet Pay also if you're interested. And so that's all for this video. If you like the video and you enjoyed every information in this video, give me the thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button so you get and click on the notification sign so you get notified once again I'll upload another nice updates like this for you. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Ciao.